Hey everyone, welcome back to the another session by Cybrix Labs. Tanishq here. And finally, Cybrix Labs has come up with another brand new mode on Oasis AI called SingleSweep. So let's hop onto the computer screen and see SingleSweep in action. Here we are inside the VS Code and I've already started my Oasis extension and also my chatbot application which we built using Oasis only in previous sessions. So now let us customize the Oasis chatbot with the chatbot application by just clicking over here. And now let's go to the Palm tab and here inside the modes. So we have already seen how code sweep mode works. You can check out those videos. And now let's go to the single sweep mode. And now on selecting the single sweep, you can see here a new drop down which shows all the files which are here in the selected project. Okay, so I can choose any of these files and provide the particular file context to the OSS. Like in the components here I have the chatbot, so let's select the chatbot and now I just say explain, and I'm asking the OSS to explain what is the code inside this chatbot file. Okay, so this is my code. Let's see if OSS helps us. And this is the interactive chatbot UI component, structure functional component chatbot, and uses React hooks, use state, use reference, use effect, and manages chat history, user input, handles sending messages and error states. So mostly everything what this component holds, the OSS is able to tell us. So now what can we do is, let us select the other file which is the page.tsx. So let me show you, this is the file, and let me show you the UI first. So this is the UI. Okay, so what I will be doing, giving here I want to improve this UI, add modern tailwind CSS to it. So let's see if we get the modern UI with this one. So here I have selected the page.tsx file. So single sweep works with the single file context. Okay, so by giving the single file with which I need to work with, I can work with that file. So let's see if OSS has given the output. Yes, so let's copy it and paste it over here and save it. So now let's go to the UI and let's see if the UI is updated or not. So yes, the UI is updated and the OSS has added some of the outer blocks, and this is pretty much nice. So what the UI you need, you can give the particular command here. And now let me show you one more thing. Let us go to the layout file, and here what I will be doing, I will be creating some error. Okay, so see, this is the error, and now I will be seeing this error here. So what single sweep says, the developer should be knowing how to read the error and understand in which file it occurs. Okay, so currently I know it is in layout file, so I will be going here and selecting the layout, and I will be just saying there is some issue, fix it. Just a single or a simple prompt I have given and hit enter. So now the OSS should help us out with fixing this issue. Okay, so this is the power of single sweep, and you can see how much fast it is working. So yes, the complete code we have got. Let us copy it and just paste it over here, and let's see if it got fixed or not. Hope you enjoyed this video. Up next, we will be bringing you with a detailed comparison between Oasis AI's flagship Code Sweep mode and the brand new Single Sweep mode. Until then, stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI. Happy coding.